unboxing this Oria 3-in-1 foldable wireless charger. Let's open it. This looks like this. This Oria 3-in-1 foldable wireless charger that I bought from Lazada. This looks like this. When you open it, you can charge 2 iPhones and one. My charger looks like this. So let's upgrade our charger. This foldable Oria 3-in-1 foldable charger. This is the cable. For the wireless charger. So it looks like this again. In the middle is for the iWatch. So let's try this with the plug, MomoMax. And this is the cable that I will put in the plug. The extension is from Japan. So it will look like this when I charge my iPhone and iWatch. Will put my iPhone, my old iPhone 8. It's charging. Put another phone. Still charging. So you can put another phone on the other side. Or so you can buy this Oria 3-in-1 foldable wireless at Lazada. It's below 1,000 only. What are you waiting for? Buy this one.